In this lesson, we're talking about arranging objects in Flash. Now, this isn't arranging them in a row or anything like that. It's arranging them in a stacking order. Just like layers, Flash will stack objects up on top of each other on the stage. Keep in mind, though, that this only applies to artwork drawn in the object mode and instances of things from the library. As we've seen before, basic drawn artwork doesn't stack. It's treated like it's all on the same level. So here we have a pile of rectangles drawn in the object drawing mode. As you can see, they're stacked up. The Arrange menu simply lets us alter this stacking order, basically moving objects up or down in the stack. Let's take one of these, select it, and choose Modify and Arrange. We have four options here: bring to front, bring forward, send backward, and send to back. Bring to front, of course, will bring this object all the way to the front and display it on top of everything else. Send to back will do the same, only in the opposite direction. And bring forward and send backward will move the object forward or backwards by one level. So we hit it once and we bring this forward one level, and so on. So I'm sure you can see that the operation of this is very simple. I'll just send this all the way to the back. Notice, though, that each of these entries has a keyboard shortcut, and it's very useful to commit these to memory, because otherwise, if you have to move an object more than, say, one or two levels, you'll have to keep going back to the menu each time. Let's take the Bring Forward shortcut. On a PC, it's Control and the up arrow. On a Macintosh, that would be Command up. So we'll leave that selected. And let's try this. Each time I hit it, it moves forward. To go back, use the down arrow. Now let's end this lesson by looking at the other two entries in this menu. We have Lock and Unlock All. At first I wondered why these were in the Arrange menu, but it does make sense. If you have a whole bunch of objects stacked on top of each other on the same actual layer, it can be really hard to select just the object you want. So you can lock specific objects to prevent yourself from accidentally selecting them. Then when you're done, you can go back and unlock them all. And that's it for the Arrange menu. Let's move on to the next lesson.